one thing I want to tell you is that Kenneth Okonkwo, a graduate from University of Nigeria Nsukka and a native of Nsukka himself. I know Kenneth Okonkwo early 90s till date. He's a man of double standard. He's a man who could not be stable in his life. I see Kenneth Okonkwo as a Buharist, somebody that has fully supported Ochibanjo during Buhari regime, to the level that he defended Ochibanjo when an allegation of eating or mishandling traders' money was labeled on Ochibanjo 4.5 years ago. See, let me tell you, Kenneth Okonkwo's Global Square, a caption, a session that was given to him by some magazine to come and air his view every Sunday, is no longer trending. Why? Because he's an Igbo man. Of course, we all know that his father was not the one that impregnated his mother. Kenneth Okonkwo, a slave, Iberibe, Igbo land. There was never a time in the past, during a passenger regime, Kenneth Okonkwo was speaking for Igbo man. Throughout Buhari Ochibanjo's regime in the past, Kenneth Okonkwo from Nsukka actually behaved like a man from the jungle, a man that does not know his father, a man that does not know where he comes from, a man that is totally an outcast in Igbo land. See, whatever he says currently about Biafra struggle does not stand for any Igbo man, but only for his own opinion. Kenneth Okonkwo is speaking from the angle of his own personal opinion, and that does not stop the emancipation of sovereign state of Biafra. See, let me tell you, in the issue of life, every man should be given accountable by whatsoever he vomits out or he acts. I mean, as an action, whatever you do in life, you should be held accountable to it. So when Kenneth Okonkwo is saying that he's not supporting Biafra, is not part of Biafra, I don't think he's going to pain any Igbo man. Kenneth Okonkwo is not the only person that has distanced himself from the agitation, scrambling for emancipation of sovereign state of Biafra. No. So I don't see it as a strange thing. If Kenneth Okonkwo come out and said he's not an Igbo man, no, now. It's from Enugu State. We've known how Fulani has been, manipulating, emanating, entering Igbo land, influx of herdsmen, terrorism, from the angle of Enugu, where Kenneth Okonkwo comes from. So we are not mistaking him as a, mistakenly taking him as a bad man or as a dead man or a man that doesn't have a formal education. What we are seeing him is somebody with double ancestral background, because from that axis, Fulani reintegrated themselves with the community where Kenneth Okonkwo comes from. So what we are trying to say is, no, his own state is Enugu. Procreation-wise, something that has to do with revolutionary trend took place before, that is during the conception of Kenneth Okonkwo. Because I know that no Igbo man that is born of his father can ever or could ever have said that. No. Kenneth Okonkwo is not a complete Igbo man. So I'm not surprised or pained if he starts spanking on Biafran emancipation. He is entitled to that opinion, like Hope Uzodinma, like Rocha Sokorocha, like Ojus Okalo, and rest of them that has indicated they are not part of Biafran struggle. Kenneth Okonkwo has been writing bullshit on the back page of some magazine, trying to tell me that he's a management expert, that he read law, he read English. Oga, Kenneth Okonkwo is entitled to his opinion. Myself, Ralph Tresvant, I'm entitled to my own fundamental rights. I'm here to talk about people doing nonsense, rubbishing themselves, accusing Simon Ekpa, accusing nnamdikanu, accusing the Biafran Igbo'S of not getting it right by telling Nigeria that we are not one. Yes. Okay, there is one lie I know that people are telling today in Nigeria. One Nigeria. It is a lie. Nothing like that. No, nothing like that. It is a pathological lie that runs like ceiling fan. One Nigeria is a natural lie that Nigeria, they have been telling us in this geography contraption called Nigeria. We are one Nigeria. It is a lie. Bail is free in the police station. It is a lie. Bail is not free. One day, it go better. It is a lie. One Nigeria. Bail is free. Who tell you say bail is free in Nigeria? It is a lie. Go to police station. Tell them bail is free. It is a lie. One Nigeria. Which one Nigeria? It is a lie. It is not their Nigeria. It is Kenneth Okonkwo's Nigeria with Fulani, his uncles and fathers. Doesn't he know that I knew Stuttgart Street within the campus of UNN more than Kenneth Okonkwo is doing stuff like this? As a student of social thing in the UNN, my studies, my profession taught me that he thinks that he's the only one that speaks good English. Kenneth speaking good English, famous Nollywood actor. He is not. It is Bob Manuel Udoku from Ogidi that could have given, that is supposed to be given that attribute. The famous Nollywood women men is Bob Manuel Udoku in dressing, in appearance. The way he handled Gulda Ultimate Search has defined Bob Manuel Udoku. Udoku is, if not one of the best materials ever come from UNN in Soka. Not Kenneth Mbweko Okonkwo, Kenneth. He went to school to go and study women, women. So Kukoma. That's why he will never align with his uncles, fathers, mothers to mourn the fallen heroes in the land of Biafra. On the land of Biafra in 1967, 1968, 69, and 70. He's trying to come out to beg Tinubu post. Tinubu is trying to sack some ministers. Kenneth Okonkwo has not seen or known any craft or best scheming way to at least wangle his way into Tinubu's regime. Now he's trying to do it by saying all manner of rubbish things against Biafra. Oga Kenneth is a junior.
Thank you very much. I thank you, our viewers all over the world, wherever you are. My God bless you and bless your family. Yes. Kenneth Okonkwo. And I'm hardly disappointed in him. And I was shocked when I heard this kind of news for his mouth. And it's Okonkwo. Kenneth Okonkwo, I mean to say. It's a shock to me. I was surprised. A whole chicken and timber caliber from Biafra land to denounce his origin. Wonderful. Of course, in an organization, there must be a Judas. There must be a Judas. In an organization, it could be anywhere. Judas must be there. Of course, all of us cannot agree. It happens everywhere. But I had it supported on him. He to come out and say it's not a Biafra. I had it disappointed. But it happens everywhere. Judas is everywhere. It's not every Biafra we agree. As long as we are seeing in Nigeria, that we agree that it's a Biafra. The wait and come. And we know whether he will belong to Nigeria. He will tell me whether Okonkwo is a Nigerian name or Biafran name, Oduduwa name or Ariwan name. He will tell me that time. If you say you are not Biafra, okay, let Biafra come. If you want to go with your Nigeria, you can go with Nigeria. You can go. Yes. You to come out to open up. Tell your people that you are not belong to your own people. Where do you come from? Are you from Fulani? Are you from Niger? Are you from Chad? Are you from Sudanese? To come out to deny your origin, your land, where you come from. It's a big shameful thing. No, it's a big mess. It's a disgrace for him. I hadn't supported on the Okonkwo. I hadn't supported on him. There's somebody that I believe that is one of the person, you know, that will be carrying us along, carry the Biafra along, that come out now and the snap. It means he's looking for something. He's looking for something from these people. He's looking for something from APC. That is why he came out tonight to deny the people, to deny people. As an Igbo man, you come out to deny where you come from, deny your people. Shameful thing. It's a very shameful thing to him. I hardly supported on him. Then it could be a film. It will be a film. When Biafra comes, I will know whether he will jump Nigeria or will jump Biafra. I think the whole world have heard him. What you just say. Wonderful. If you like, don't jump Biafra, you like, join. We are not forcing anybody. What is the benefit for this country? The country that you are not free. As an Igbo man, you are progressing, they are having you. They don't need their progress. They don't need the way you work, they don't like you. If you try to progress, they will bring one thing or another to stabilize your progress. You want Nigeria? It would be the time of Igbo man to collect his own share. They will say, they share them. That's Nigeria for you, one Nigeria. They will say, they share them. Where does this Igbo man turn to collect? They will say, they share them. One Nigeria. But why are you fooling me? Why are you making noise after one? We are one party win an election in Lagos. You come after another person. You come after one person. You can't go against them because of one party win an election in Lagos. You come after one particular player, one particular people. Say they want to pollute your land. One Nigeria. Because the whole chance is not win. Then the Nigeria come out. The whole youth come and say, no, enough is enough with this mess. We need this man. At the end of the day, the man won. He won you. End of the day, you come after Igbo'S. He said Igbo was supposed to pollute your land. In the name of one Nigeria. We are still talking one Nigeria, Abi. My brother, enough is enough. We can never forget the past. They must forget. But the Easterners can never forget the past. We cannot forget. You can never eat a cake and still have it. And when you say your mother will not sleep, you too will never sleep. Nigeria believe that Igbo'S can never sleep. The Easterners cannot sleep. The Nigeria can never sleep. Look at us. Nigeria is running up and messing up and down. Look at the mess in this country. You enter your country, you are not safe. Killing here and here, hungry. People are dying day by day because of hardship. Why we won? When people might come out to rule, they say no. Did you love me? Is that one country? He said, we no rule. Okay, let me go. He said, no. It means it's my first marriage. You are forcing me to marry you. It's my first marriage. That's Nigeria. It's a illegal marriage. I said, I don't want to eat with you alone again. Now you say, no, I must eat with you. When the child grows to be free from his family, from his father, it's good to be free. We still want to go. We want to be free for this mess. You say no. Okay, allow what to do. You say no. Allow what to be. You say no. That we should down that you. That we should be controlled. You will be controlled with the Fulanis. Igbo'S will be controlled with Fulanis. Go to home and their way. They will be doing you, even your state. That's the agenda. Now we say no. Enough is enough. We want to go. It's our mouth is smelling. We shall know who his mouth is smelling. Later we shall know. We shall know. And as a Okonkwo to go sit down, I hardly supported him. He to come out, a permanent Igbo man, a man that I love, that come out today and mess himself up. I hardly supported him. Whether you like it, Biafra will surely come to say. Biafra will be. Because we cannot control in this mess. We can't. Call on council. Biafra will come to stay. I believe where I come from. I just survived in Nigeria. It's by grace. It's by His grace. I'm just suffering every day. Surviving is by His grace. Nigeria don't care for me. Of course, they don't care for Igbo. When you thought they said, come and get out there, go do your business. Wonderful. Okay, without business, Igbo man cannot live. Or Igbo man cannot do other thing. Go, you don't know business. You don't know about government. What an insult for Igbo days. That's what they tell you. Go to your business. What do you know? One Nigeria. I've never seen one Nigeria. I always say you people. I haven't seen one Nigeria. Can Okonkwo should go with Nigeria? He should go with Nigeria. No problem. Then when Biafra comes, when the Biafra come to stay, I will know whether you control in Nigeria. Whether you will announce your father's name. Whether you will announce your father's name. To Saraki or Jageda, I will know. That is it, my brother. I'm totally to support him. Thank you.